Bella, why are we here?
Auntie Paula.
Hindi, why are we here? What are we doing?
We're having
A picnic day.
Look on the ground.
What is that?
This is a nugget.
Nuggets. A yummy nuggets.
Yummy, 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 yum, 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 yum.
Is it yummy, Kit?
What's up, Ramadan?
Nasaan si Adam? Ito si Adam dyan. O, pogi ka daw. Pogi, pogi. Hello, Adam. Two. That's Peace and Pogi. Are you having fun? Are you having fun?
Sibuyas, kamatis.
Ano na kaya?
Nakapika.
Luna, mag-cheeseburger ka na ka na.
Lola, say hi. Hi to your fans. Hi.
Kumakain. Sunod cheese na.
Are you having fun, Ate Bella?
Yes, we having fun a picnic.
Kunin mo.
You like it?
Ayoko lang walang bread. Ubus na eh.
Sarap.
Wala si Jillian dito.
Oh, wala si Jillian. Bakit mo naman naaalala si Jillian? Mamaya kumakain si Jillian. Oo, dito kasi yung pwesto nila eh. Why are you running out? Where are you going? Say hi to Baldo. Where's Baldo?
Ang sarap ng hangin mo ito, no? Malamig.
Nandito na yung moon.
Ay, makulimig din, no?
Naglalabas na yung moon.
Wala makulim yun.
Lalabas na yung moon.
Baka tayo biglang...
I'm so rescued the moon.
Libre tayo.
Where's the moon?
Dado, lalabas na yung moon.
Oo.